Do you really want your kids to be raised by your sister-in-law? If something happens to you as parents, your kids would face some tough obstacles. Yet, apart from dealing with the huge loss, your children's immediate future would be even less bright because you'd forgotten your estate planning responsibilities. In failing to plan or in not keeping your plan updated, you may be forcing your children to live with someone that is less than ideal. Do you really want to leave something like this to chance? Putting together a living trust-centered estate plan is the foundation for preventing so many needless problems. When you do an estate plan, one of the major things you address is who watches your children if something has happened to you, and who will manage the money for your kids. For example, Judy thinks her sister Jessica would be a loving role model for her children to be around if something happened to her. But Judy's big concern is that she feels her sister is not good with money management issues. That's where a coordinated estate plan comes in. Judy can have the best of both worlds. Plus, she'll have the peace of mind in knowing that her children would be protected if something ever happened to her. Here's how that might work. We could put Judy's sister Jessica in Judy's will as the guardian of her minor children. Judy has a friend, Claire, who is a financial planner, and another friend, Gary, that has his own successful business. In Judy's living trust, Claire and Gary might be Judy's choice for the backup co-trustees. That means that Claire and Gary will be in charge of the children's money, and they will stay in close communication with Jessica, Judy's sister, when it concerns the children's needs. Two different sets of folks to handle two important areas of family protection. Look, I know that in most cases, tragic events like I've described here don't happen, but why take a chance? Having your estate plan completed is a fairly quick and inexpensive process. Is it really a good idea not to be prepared? A good first step in developing your estate plan is to get a little background information about estate planning. The Learning Center portion of my website has short educational videos about living trusts and other important estate planning documents. These videos will give you vital information to begin your estate planning process. I hope you've learned something, and please feel free to share my little video with friends and family. I'm estate planning attorney Hollis Logue.